Welcome to DRTS Web Works. If you are a WordPress developer, you know that the right plugins can make a world of difference. Today, we're diving into the top essential WordPress plugins that every developer should have in their toolkit. We will cover plugins for security, SEO, performance optimization, and custom functionality. Let's get started. First off, we are going to start with RankMath SEO. This plugin is crucial for optimizing your site's SEO. It helps with keyword optimization, readability analysis, meta tags, and even provides scheme markup support. To install RankMath SEO, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, add New and search for RankMath SEO, then click on Install and Activate. Once activated, RankMath SEO will guide you through a setup wizard. You can add your focus keyword, meta description, and see an SEO analysis for each post and page. It also includes advanced options for managing sitemaps and redirections. As you can see on your screen right now, you can subscribe for the paid version of RankMath SEO, and you can use the Content AI to help you write amazing texts for your blog and articles. You can do all your custom settings through the General Settings tab, do the Google search optimization, Bing Webmaster Toolset, as everything. You can also set the redirections, very important, and you can manually change all the robots' meta, what will be indexed and what will not be indexed on your website. You can see a bunch of options such as rewrite titles, so capitalize titles, and you can also deal with the local SEO or the social media, and you can set up your own SEO of the homepage. Here you can see all the posts and articles that you can post on your blog or website, and all the custom settings for SEO. You can save the changes so they can actually take an effect. Our next plugin that we are going to talk about will be Wordfence Security, a comprehensive security plugin that offers firewall protection, malware scanning, login security, and real-time threat defense. To install Wordfence, go to Plugins, add New, search for Wordfence, and click Install Now and Activate. After activation, you will need to set up the plugin by following the guided configuration wizard. This includes setting up the firewall, enabling automatic scans, and configuring login security options to protect against brute force attacks and other malicious activity towards your website. Just bear in mind, this is a premium plugin and you need to have a license that needs to be installed on your website in order for this plugin to work. But honestly guys, this is a testing environment and we don't really need it at the moment, but this is an extremely important plugin for your website's security. Next on the list is Litespeed Cache plugin. For performance optimization, Litespeed Cache is a must-have tool for your website. It offers advanced caching, image optimization, database optimization, and CDN integration. To install, go to Plugins, add New, searching for Litespeed Cache, and click Install Now and Activate. Once you install the plugin, in the settings option you can enable all the page cache, object cache, browser cache, also Litespeed Cache, which offers features like lazy loading images, minifying CSS and JavaScript, and optimizing your database to ensure faster loader times. When you go on to the presets, these are options that are set by the developers of the plugin that will help you gain the maximum potential of this plugin. So I always recommend the advanced options. Then you need to request your domain key, which will come automatically. You don't have to do anything, just save the changes, and once the domain key is ready, it will arrive in about 40 seconds straight away there. You can use the server IP. You can check your server IP by clicking the blue text underneath, or just ping your own website and you'll see what the server IP is and put it there. Then we go on to the caching. So you can cache all the pages, you can set a TTL, exclude what should not be excluded, you can set the Redis method for object caching as well. You can do browser caches, you can see, and all sorts of things. You can manually change the HTTP to HTTPS connection. Also, the quick cloud CDN, very important for fasting your website, making faster load and everything. Let's go on to the images. Images, very important. You can have so many custom settings to optimize your images and make it look even better for your users and your website to load much faster than what it loads currently. Going into the page optimization, you have so many options here for CSS settings, JavaScript settings, HTML, media settings, localization, any excludes, and tuning, fine-tuning your CSS. And when we go into the database options, it has so many options for optimizing your database, like cleaning all the transitions, clearing your orphan post meta, and so on and so forth. And from the toolbox, you can easily purge all cache and just reset or straight away from the admin bar up there. Next on the list is Elementor. This is a powerful page builder that allows you to create custom layouts with ease. It's perfect for developers who want more design flexibility without any further coding. Installing Elementor is fairly easy. Same as previous, go to plugins, add new, type Elementor and click install now and activate. Once activated, you can start building pages with a drag and drop editor, adding various widgets and customizing your design. Elementor Pro, for example, is a paid version, but it offers even more features, including a custom theme builder, WooCommerce integration and advanced form builder. And honestly, get my advice, this is a worthy subscription. You can use the free image optimizer as well to optimize, in addition to Litespeed, your images, but it's not a good idea to use two image optimizing plugins, so bear in mind this so you don't slow down your website even more without knowing and without any purpose in this. Next on our list is ACF, or Advanced Custom Fields. This is essential for adding custom fields to your posts and pages. It's great for creating custom content types and layouts, providing a flexible way to manage custom data. As already know, go to plugins, add new advanced custom fields or ACF, install now and activate. You can add new fields from the ACF menu in your dashboard. You can choose the type of field you want to add, such as text, image, or select and assign it to your post and pages later on. ACF also, or Advanced Custom Fields, also offers field groups, location rules, and display options for even more control on your website. For those looking to build an e-commerce website, WooCommerce is the go-to plugin. It allows you to create and manage an online store with ease, offering various features and extensions. Install WooCommerce in the well-known way by going to plugins, add new, search for WooCommerce and click install now and activate. After activation, follow the setup wizard to configure your store settings, including payment gateways, shipping options, and product listings. WooCommerce also integrates seamlessly with many themes and other plugins, making it highly customizable plugin and well accepted in the web dev community. Here you can set up your country store, pretty much anything. I have built web stores for Bulgaria, for the United Kingdom, for the United States, so you can see all sorts of things. It's pretty much straightforward. It's almost automatic process. You just need to click all the boxes, fill the data, and you're ready to go. You can start with building products or uploading products. Let's create our first product. Let's give it a fancy name. Just imagine that you're building a web store for roller skating. Then give it a good product description that will attract customers to buy your product, to enjoy staying on your website. Keep it friendly, keep it nice, keep it professional, keep selling, keep making money. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great design WordPress ideas. Let's see our product, how it looks like at the moment. This is our product. Obviously, with some further customization, proper theme setup, we can actually make it so someone to click add new or add to basket or whatever, or purchase, and we can buy it. Next on the list is our Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 is a simple yet very powerful plugin for creating custom contact forms. It's flexible, easy to use, and supports additional plugins for added functionality. Again, installing the Contact Form 7 is you need to go to Plugins, Add New, Contact Form 7 in the search bar, then click Install Now and activate. You can create new forms from the Contact Add New menu, customize your form fields, you can configure mail settings and add the form to your pages using a shortcode afterwards. You can also customize pretty much all the messages. You can add additional settings, for example CSS, so you can have a specific design of your actual form. Additional plugins can extend its functionality with features like reCAPTCHA, Stripe, payment, and some file uploads. Next on the list is Backuply. Backuply is essential for backups. It allows you to easily backup and restore your WordPress website, supporting various cloud storage options as well as local machine options. Installing the Backuply plugin is the same way. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Backuply and click Install Now and activate. In the settings, you can set up automatic backups, choose where to store your backups like Google Drive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, local machine, local folder in the server, and easily restore them if needed. Backuply also supports scheduled backups and migration tools for moving your website. Let me show you how you can do this. We are creating currently our first backup of this testing website. Once it's finished, we can check our location. We can do some custom settings. We can check our Backuply cloud if we want to apply our cloud services. Let's do some custom settings. Let's save them. It's our first backup. Here we can restore, delete, or download the backup. If we download the backup and upload it into another Backuply folder in another website, we can easily restore this very same backup and use the website in a new place. Next on the list is the Custom Post Type UI. Finally, we have this plugin. This plugin makes it easy to create and manage custom post types and taxonomies, providing greater control over your content structure. Installing is the same way. Go to Plugins, Add New, type in the search bar Custom Post Type UI or just Custom Post Type and click Install Now and activate. You will recognize it by the Web Dev Studios creators. Fantastic guys with amazing work. You can create new custom post types from the CPT UI menu, define the labels and settings for your custom post types and taxonomies, and start adding custom content to your website. The plugin is especially useful for organizing large amounts of content or creating specialized content types. And there you have it, the top essential WordPress plugins for developers. Each of these plugins can significantly enhance your WordPress development experience. Make sure to install, configure, and use them effectively to get the most out of your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Cheers!